Hello, Rod. All right, here is your 938 SD sitting on my 69 half-head motor. Testing and adjustment have gone well. Look down inside, you'll see it's nice and dry down there. Everything's looking good. All right, so let's go ahead and fire it up. Drip. Just a little bit. Must be getting low on fuel. Yeah, I'll have to reset that float. But anyway, alright, let's look at some numbers. Sorry about that. Currently idling at 680. Whoa, well's real bad. Oh, I gotta fix that. Alright, but anyway, move on down the line. Fuel pressure is about 3. Vacuum is at 19 and change. Looking good. And you heard me pull it through. Look at that again. That also. Looking good. No. Alright, she's gonna have to readjust that flow a little bit. But other than that, she's running pretty good. Alright, buddy. Thank you.